Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitget in 2025. So in order to do it, you need to simply launch your Bitget mobile application and make sure that you have verified your account or your ID on Bitget in order to make purchases. If you haven't already created your account on Bitget, so you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save some amount on your transactions. So here, once you are in Bitget, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for BTC. Now once you type BTC in the search bar, you will see BTC with bunch of different pairs like BTC/USDT, BTC/USDC, BTC/WUSD. So the most popular pair for transacting BTC is the BTC/USDT. So you need to make sure that you have some USDT in your account. So you need to tap on the BTC/USDT pair and then it will show you its current chart and its current price. Now in order to buy it, you need to simply tap on the trade option in the bottom and then you will be landed on this page. Now here you need to make sure that buy is selected, and by default most of the time buy is selected over here. Now you don't need to change anything and keep the limit order as it is. After that, in this section you just have to enter the amount at which you want to basically buy Bitcoin. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin at this price, then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase your Bitcoin, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of quantity that you are going to get. You can even use this slider in order for it to automatically take the amount from your account and show you how much quantity you will get. Once you are done, you just have to simply tap on the buy BTC option and then your order will be placed. Now once your order is placed, for some time it will be in this section. Like as you can see that my order isn't completed yet because the price of Bitcoin is more than the price that I have entered, or my price might be more than the price that I have entered. So once the price of the Bitcoin come to the price that you have entered, your order will be placed and then you will be able to get your BTC, which you can view by tapping on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. In this sport section, you will be able to see your Bitcoin, and now you can transfer it to any other wallet or you can even hold it in your Bitget account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.